Hello guys, I will tell you about hurricane.
Hurricanes, often also called tropical cyclones. It is a disorder that occurs in extreme weather in the atmosphere and in particular affects the surface of the Earth. The usual onset of symptoms starting with strong wind that arise in conjunction with lightning and thunder. In addition, the rain comes down in dense and continuous accompanied by wind or ice chalk and crashes also are some of the symptoms that can be controlled. How hurricanes are formed? The combination of two mutual contradictory forces that generate the vortex of wind that can form from cumulonimbus. Clouds that form over the ocean surface move following the wind direction with a speed of 20 km/h. However, when it reaches the mainland, the hurricanes broke cloud with a large force up to 250 km/h and potentially damaging of any that existed before him. Because of hurricane, the storm that sweep an area can jeopardize the safety of the southern possessions. Heavy rain accompanied by wind can lead to flood which cause dozens of house damage and hamper transportation. In addition, lightning could potentially trigger fire of disruption of electricity and communication waves. Generally speaking, the storm impact a great loss either in material or non-material.
There's no doubt about it that tropical storms provide some of nature's most impressive natural phenomena, especially destructive, of course, when they intensify to the state of being typhoons or hurricanes. But there are certain key ingredients required for the formation of tropical storms, primary of which is sea surface temperatures of at least 26 Celsius. We need a cluster of thunderstorms, we need the spin of the earth to be involved, and we need light wind shear, that's to say light winds way up in the atmosphere. Now, first, the sea surface temperatures above 26 Celsius. That only happens in tropical regions of the world. Then we need that cluster of thunderstorms. They can be quite disparate at first, but then they organize themselves into a bigger storm system. They get together, and then the Earth's rotation generates that spin, and the storm system starts to revolve in this direction. And then, of course, we need the factor that the winds are off. The wind shear is not too strong, because if the winds were too strong, it would rip the storm apart. So these winds then carry the storm system in a certain direction, breeding off those high sea surface temperatures and intensifying the storm further and further. And what does that mean? Well, of course, the effects of a tropical storm, a typhoon, a hurricane, extremely strong winds around the core, the eye of the storm, colossal amounts of rain, and huge, potentially destructive waves.